How's it going, everybody? It's time to do some more round baling. As you can see, we have a Kuhn VB3155, and I'm really excited to try this baler because I've heard so many good things about Kuhn round baler, so I really want to give this one a shot. This is from Lindsay Equipment in Port Crane, New York. Will brought this up. It was down at the fair, and he brought it up after the fair. So just going over it, it's got really nice flotation tires on it. Just overall glance, really nice pickup head. It looks really powerful and really looks like it's really going to pick up quite a windrow of hay. So yeah, other than that, it's just getting it on the field and trying it out. Will's got us all set up, hooked up, and it's got the remote for the head pickup, and we can actually going to shut that off when we go down the road, leave that in the upright position, and then the other two are for the back. So just topping off with fuel, and it's time to head down. My dad's down raking right now, and I'm going to come behind him and make some round bales. So before I get too far into this video, I just want to touch on something really quick. Back in my video when I demoed the John Deere round baler, I got some people telling me about how I was wasting a lot of time backing up so much. There were two things in that one. That one didn't have the back ramp on it. And I was on a hill, so I really didn't want to bail to get away from me. It was the first time I ever round bailed, so I really didn't want to bail getting away from me. And I also didn't want the bail to be right behind me as the door comes down and hits on the bail. I've heard about that, how it damages the door. And the last thing I want to do is damage, especially when it's not ours and it's just on demo. This one, you'll see, this one doesn't have the ramp either. Will did tell me they do have a ramp back at the shop, so it will get put on this baler. If we decide to go with this baler, it will have the ramp. I talked to my buddy Dusty, and he even said, yeah, you don't want to, you know, it's one thing during a demo, but you know, when you're doing this all day, you don't want to be backing up so much and pulling forward. My main concern is I don't want the bale to come back and have that door come down, hit the bale, and then you know, you do damage to the door. I don't want that, so I definitely want the ramp. If we go with this baler, it definitely will have the ramp on it. You'll see, I think even at one time I backed up, kicked the bale out, and I pulled forward, and I went a little too far, and I kicked some hay through, you know, just shot it through. There's a little clump of hay behind before I even got the door shut. So that is why I'm backing up and pulling forward. Like I said, it doesn't have the ramp. If we end up going with this baler, it will have the ramp. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. roundabout, the baler will tell me which way to go if I need to go. Add a certain way, it'll tell me right or left. Over here, that bar graph, that's making the bale. It'll beep when it gets close, and it'll tell me to stop when we're all done. Pretty simple baler to use so far. Like I said, it's making some real nice bales. I got to hit a couple. I'll do that at the end and show you guys. Oh my God, it's a nice tight bale. And I don't even have it set to the max. I can increase the pressure if I want. Excuse me. So, dip down into this little gully here. next field we're gonna hit. And not bad. This farm isn't too far away from our farm, so I've driven by it a ton of times. So I'm really glad we get an opportunity to work it now. So first time ever going over the ground, so you take it a little lightly to kind of find all the nooks and crannies and bumps and all that fun stuff. But yeah, did good. My dad told me that another cow freshened today, had another calf, so I'm going to get back and check on her. Another heifer calf, that's great. Time to go back and feed cows. So pretty impressed with the Kuhn baler. It did a really good job. I'm really happy with it. So just gotta finish blowing it off right now, put it away, because yeah, we got rain in the forecast this week, so I'm gonna put it under cover and yeah, go from there. But anyway, hopefully the more round baling I do, I still have less than 100 bales under my belt, so the more round baling I do, the more comfortable I'll be with it, and the better drone footage I can get you guys while I'm baling. Right now it's just learning the baler, learning round baling in general, and so yeah, I got the camera up there and watching the camera, watching the controller, and trying to swerve back and forth to make a good bale at the same time. But anyway, hopefully I'll have to go through the footage. Hopefully it turned out okay. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Drop me a question or comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have, thumbs up to you, I totally appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one, everybody.